Want to modernize your .NET application but don't know where to start? Meet the Modernize-Dotnet Custom Agent, a tool that brings a structured modernization workflow across Visual Studio, VS Code, GitHub Copilot, CLI, and GitHub. Here's what you need to know. What the agent produces. Each modernization run generates 3 artifacts in your repository: an assessment highlighting scope and blockers, a proposed upgrade plan, and upgrade tasks that apply the required code transformations. Using it in GitHub Copilot CLI, terminal-first developers can modernize directly from the shell. Simply install the plugin from the marketplace, select the agent, prompt it, and review the generated upgrade tasks before executing them. Using it in GitHub, the agent can run directly inside your repository. The generated artifacts live alongside your code, allowing teams to review modernization plans just like any other code change. Using it in VS Code, install the GitHub Copilot modernization extension, select Modernize-Dotnet from the agent picker in Copilot chat, and prompt the agent with the upgrade you want to perform. Using it in Visual Studio. For Visual Studio users, the workflow is fully integrated. Right-click your solution or project in Solution Explorer and select Modernize to begin the upgrade process. Supported workloads. The modernization agent supports many common .NET project types, including ASP.NET Core, Blazor, Azure Functions, WPF, class libraries, and console apps. Migration from .NET Framework to modern.NET is also supported for several application types, with web forms support coming soon. Custom skills support. The agent also supports custom skills, enabling teams to embed internal frameworks, migration patterns, or architectural standards directly into the modernization workflow. Stay tuned for more .NET updates.